Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SOS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very rough day on this one with the gap down, and then, the price continues to pull back here, but it's also holding above a very important level. In fact, it bounced off this level, and I'll get to that here in just a little bit. But first, really, there's two main areas that, to me at least, matter the most. So to apply the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid. I just want to focus on these two areas, and we'll see how the price behaves, relative to both of them. First I'm going to do is actually just get rid of that line up there. It served its purpose for now. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that is exactly what happened here. I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook. Price gap down below that red line there at right around 880, and then not once but twice, price try to get above that area, and you can see that in both of those situations, the bulls were not able to build up enough momentum and push up through those levels, and then the price ultimately did roll back down through that area. So moving forward, that's going to be the main area of resistance, and if this thing is going to consolidate out and then work its way back upwards, that's where the big question mark resides. Not necessarily in the sense of can it get back up to 880, but more importantly, can the price break above it and then stay up above it? So that is by far going to be that key level of resistance to watch moving forward. And then on the flip side, the other area that everybody's going to be watching, rightfully so, because it's a very famous level. In fact, it's one of those areas where even if you have a surface deep basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that 200 period moving average, and that is what that pink line is representing, and that is also where the price bounced very nicely off it during that opening 30 minutes, and the current value of that is at $6.80. So that's going to be the other very important level to keep an eye on from the support side of things. So really, in my opinion at least, it's as simple as that. It's 880 key level of resistance, $6.80 key level of support, and now it's just a question of mark is who's going to ultimately win out? Are the bulls going to win out by breaking back to the upside, or the bears going to win out by pushing down through that pink line there? We'll have to see how this week continues to play out, but those are definitely the two main technical levels. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.